components of the web-based application will be the user interface. Then there's a database, web services, and servers. The user interface will be the visual part of the computer. It helps us to interact with the application. It's basically the display. An example could be the keypad to call, being able to change slides like I'm doing right now on a PowerPoint. The other component or module will be a database, which is a collection of information that is stored. An example is basically if you have pictures and you can keep it saved in a folder. Well, the good thing about the database is you can add and delete it at any time. And then it's basically the software to save information in an organized form. An example would be like a login and a password for a website. And then the other one will be the web services, which is the communication channel available in the internet or with the help of internet. It basically takes the information from one end to a second end and brings it back. And then last but not least, the servers, which is the central computer where all the data is stored. All the database is stored in a server. It looks like a desktop, but it doesn't really matter how it looks. Every company has its own. Okay, so